Good morning, all of you. Myself Sandeep Varashar, and I am welcoming you online classes, computer class, ninth class. Ninth class, we are reading part A, unit second, importance of self management. In this, we are talking about time management in self management. Now, in this third point is priorities and schedule. What is your priority? We need to make a timetable according to our priority, where we need to focus more and where we need to focus less. Learn to say no. Sometimes we are not able to say no, like your friends comes at your home and say let's go for movie, and we are not able to say no, but we need to learn how to say no, because for accomplish some challenges in life we need to say no. Spending the right time on right activity. No need to waste your time on wrong activity. We need to spend our time on right activity. Like if we are going to enter the exam, so we need to learn our subject, not like spending our time on watching TVs. Next point is accountability. Accountability is a vital component of self management. Accountability and responsibility are interrelated to each other, but they don't mean the same things. The main difference between responsibility and accountability is that responsibility can be shared while accountability is personal. Accountability is related how much marks we get, how much marks we will get, where is our marks is cutting. We need to make accountability for ourselves, not for a team. This is related to our goal. Avoid accountability develop the following characteristics. Avoiding procrastinations. Procrastination is defined as the avoidance of doing a task that need to be procrastinated, choosing a different, usually less important and enjoyable task. Sometimes your teacher say go and solve these puzzles, and sometimes they say go and play with them, so we choose play with them, but this is not the main thing. If you are going to win in your life, we need to accept a challenge, we need to learn every time, so we need to focus on difficult tasks, not on easy or enjoyable tasks. Acknowledge that you are procrastinating. The air acknowledge helps in curbing it. If you are facing problem in any subject, we need to read it more and more. Refer to your do list and remind yourself to your bigger goals. Sometimes we need to discuss with ourselves. Sit alone and think what we want and what we do. Refer to your do list. Often promise to reward yourself after completion of the task. Praise yourself. Give reward to yourself. Make it a habit of scheduling your more laborious tasks before more enjoyable. Means spend your time on difficult tasks, not on your time on enjoyable tasks. Next, adapting problem solving attitude. I already told you, if we are facing problem in any subject, we need to adapt habit of problem solving. We need to adapt the problem solving attitude, how we solve these questions. If you click this theme, you can do it in your life, everything, no need to delay. Managing your own emotions. So many times we are feeling low, that time we need to make high. Emotion always get in the way of rational interpretation of situation. They usually prevent us from working towards the best or most constructive solution. Sometimes we feel tired and we say leave the study, today we don't want to leave, but this is not a way. If you are going tired, take a little bit rest and start your reading. Make this in scheduling. Coping with distress. Sometimes we feel distressed, depressed. What we need to do? Unfortunate events like illness, injury, death in the family, or some other triggered event may happen in our life. It may have a significant impact on our emotions and physical doing mechanisms. Such circumstances like surround yourself with people who can provide you with the required emotion and practical support. Count your blessing in life. Distract yourself with the pleasant things. Means sometimes you feel distracted due to any reason. We are suffering ill from so many days and we are coming in the school, you feel depressed because this topic is not understanding by you, so you feel, oh, I am not getting this. So don't take tension. Spend your time with your friends. Enjoy your time. Be positive. Positive result of self management. What is the positive result of self management? Is an essential skill for everyone as it teaches us to be productive no matter we grow. The demand on our time and effort increase from all aspects. I already told you, if we are able to self management ourselves, then we are going to achieve any goal in our life. The practice of self management benefit us in the following 5 ways. Makes us more organized. You need to make your more organized while planning our schedule, like allotting time slots for your studies, relaxation break and other essential activities. We learn the vital skill of organization and allocating all your resources. Sometimes we need to make timetable, our daily routine timetable. What is the daily routine and what is the monthly routine? In still discipline we need to make discipline ourselves. We need to do study daily. We can't say we are not study today, we will study tomorrow. We can't say like this. We need to make it discipline. Helps in attaining goals. If we make a schedule for exam and follow it in a disciplined way, we prepare for our exam and attain our set goals. We need to make a goals for everything in life. We need to achieve step by step. Enhance self confidence. When we set goals and achieve them, that give the confidence to pursue more significant and more challenging goals. If we are accepting challenges and we are achieving short challenges, then after that we feel self motivated. Commands respect from others. Respect is not giving thing, it is earning thing. Nobody will give you respect if you are nothing, but if you are something, then everybody will give you respect. If you come first in the class, everybody will give you respect, your teachers, parents, your friends. But you are weak in study, nobody will give you respect. Without any push or supervision, they start respecting you. Our parents, teachers realize that they do not need to control or force you. They feel no need to control you. If you are watching TV, they say you can watch because they know you are able to do it or achieve any goal on time. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.